your girl Yanique and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video we will be doing this purple haze eye color look, right? And for those who are here for the very first time, let me welcome you to my family. Welcome. Okay, so before we go into today's video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Okay, so I did my brows and prepped my skin beforehand, and I'll go in with my favorite setting powder, my Airspun, to set the primer. Now I'll be just using my favorite foundation, my Maybelline Superstay, to just prepare the base for this look. Okay guys, so my foundation looks really off from my complexion, and that's because a couple weeks before I got totally sunburned. Oh my gosh, it is so annoying. Now I'll be doing my concealing and contouring. If you want a more detailed video, you can click the link down in the description box where I have all tips and tricks on how to conceal, highlight and apply your foundation. Okay, so today I decided to try out doing cream contour or liquid contour, and I'm using my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Espresso, and I must say I really love the results from doing this. So guys, now I'll be going ahead to set all my concealed areas and contour, and I'll be using the Black Radiance medium to dark palette, right? As well as my Airspun setting powder, my go-to and favorite. Okay, so I'm going into the crease with this purple shade from my Amuse eyeshadow palette. It is really cheap, but the colors are so pigmented. I love it. Now I'll be taking the pink from the same eyeshadow palette just to blend out the edges of that purple shade that I just applied. Now I'll be taking the shade Fuchsia from the same eyeshadow palette just to pack onto my lid to get the complete look. Okay, so just to add some more depth to the look, I'm going to use the shade Deep Plum from my Boxes of Crayon eyeshadow palette to the outer corner of my eyes. And there you have it. I decided to finish the look off camera by adding some lashes, liner, and doing my lip. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.